Hello, in this video I'll show you how to get a cinematic look on video on Nikon Z30. First of all, let's go to the menu and go to the video recording menu, then select frame size and frame rate. Then make sure that it's set to 24p because that is the most cinematic. You can set it to 4K at 24p or 1080p at 24p. I'll set it to 4K 24p. And then let's also set a few other things. So the next thing that I would like to set is going to be a filter. You can add a filter if you would like. It's called picture control here, and you can set it to auto. You can set it to standard, neutral, vivid, monochrome, but you can also do flat, and the flat one will be pretty cinematic. So you can set the flat one, but depending on what you're actually trying to achieve. I have the flat one set, but you can set different ones. Then you can also, if you're in manual mode, if you're shooting in manual mode, you can actually set the shutter to 1/50, and then your video should look pretty cinematic. So and also one more thing, depending on what effect you're trying to achieve, it's better to do a better zoom, like the zoom in more and record from further away. That is going to give you a better result. And yeah, that is basically it. These are these like tips that really give you a cinematic effect. The other things are, of course, lighting, camera movement, and stuff like that. These are the ones that will make your camera record in like cinematic view. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.